Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Rufus not showing USB device or external hard drive in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me just show you my on-screen keyboard so that you won't have any confusion on what keys would you need to press and to avoid any mistakes, okay? So let me just click on the start icon, do a right click, and let me just go with my settings. Okay, let me just navigate here at the accessibility. Okay, and let me just scroll down and go with my keyboard to open my on-screen keyboard. Okay, turn it on. Okay, so now it's here. Let me close this. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do is you need to bring up your Rufus application, which is this. Okay, and you need to press Alt key and F key together. Again, press Alt key and F key together in your physical or built-in keyboard. Again, don't use your on-screen keyboard. I'm just showing you what keys you need to press to avoid any confusion or to stop any, to avoid any mistakes. Okay, so you need to press Alt key and F key together. Okay. And by that, you would be able to see or detect your USB or external hard drive in your Rufus application. Here you can choose the device or drive that you want to go with here in your Windows or computer. Okay. In my case, I only have the one external hard drive since I only have the one external hard drive that is being plugged in my Windows. Okay, which is my USB flash drive and E drive. Okay, so again, you need to press Alt key and F key together, letter F key together, and by that, you would be able to scan your USB flash drive or hard drive in your Rufus application. Here, you can click this down arrow and select the USB flash drive or external hard drive that you want to go with, that you want to format with. Okay, so once it is being ready, click on start and there you have it. Okay. So simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.